Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your age on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. His will help fix the issue where you're unable to chat and also unlock additional features on your account. First, make sure you're using a device that has a camera, such as a mobile phone or a tablet. This process won't work properly without a camera. Open the Roblox app on your device, then tap on More Eye the bottom right corner, and then scroll down to go into Settings. From there, select Account Info. Now, look for the option that says Use an ID to verify your birthday, and tap on Continue. At this point, Roblox may ask you to verify your identity using your phone number, email, or an authenticator app. Enter the code you receive and tap Verify. Here, it will tell you that you need a government ID and that verifying your age will unlock more features on Roblox. Simply tap Continue, then choose either National ID or Passport. I'll select National ID. After that, tap Continue again and then allow your camera access to Roblox. After that, scan the front and back of your identity card. Make sure the scans are clear and correct. Once you're done, your age will be verified on Roblox. And that's it. So that's basically how you can verify your age on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.